PediaSure with Ms Manjari Chandra introduces Grow Right, Immuno Right.
Today let's put together an interesting snack platter which is very tempting and difficult for your kids to refuse. The snack platter comprises of 3 components. We'll be making 2 dips, one the hummus and the second the hung curd dip. We'll be combining the 2 dips with crudettes which we'll make with vegetables. The snack platter comprises of 3 parts. We're making a hummus, a hung curd dip and of course the crudettes. Let's start with the hummus. The hummus is made of overnight soaked chickpeas, olive oil, some chickpea liquid. We are using tahini, we are using some lemon juice and some ground cumin seed powder. We'll also be using PediaSure vanilla, 2 tablespoons in the hummus. The hung curd dip uses of course hung curd. Besides that, we'll be adding some grated cucumber, some fresh mint leaves, a little salt and another 2 tablespoons of PediaSure powder. For making the hummus, we'll put all the ingredients in the blender. As chef is adding the chickpeas are very healthy. They're very good sources of healthy carbohydrates, proteins and many micronutrients. Besides that, we're using olive oil in hummus. We'll now make the next dip, which is hung curd dip. Let's now put together the hung curd dip. The hung curd dip, as we discussed, is made of the hung curd. We'll add some cucumber, some mint, some salt and PediaSure to it. Blend the ingredients together and whisk them well. The hung curd dip is now ready. We now have our snack platter ready. This looks really interesting. And imagine children who do not want to eat vegetables, how tempted they would be to eat the vegetables with these interesting dips. The crudettes are essentially some steamed beans, some fresh carrots, some fresh peppers. We've also taken fresh raw cucumber and some steamed baby corn. This is a nutritionally complete snack with vegetables, with the good fats, with all the interesting herbs and spices, and children would love to enjoy this.